Hi, everybody. It's Mike from Here the Watchmen, and thank you so much for signing up for the Igniting the Fire, the Ultimate Solution Conference. We're so looking forward to presenting this to you and letting you have availability to it for 6 months via on-demand through the Vimeo platform. Now, what I wanted to do with you today was give you a quick, short tutorial on how to sign up for Vimeo and what to do once you have your account. So I'm going to screen share with you now, and we're going to take a look at how you go about doing that. So let's take a look here. There you go. Okay, so now you're at the Vimeo landing page. When you're at the Vimeo landing page, if you do not already have a Vimeo account, you're going to want to click here. It's going to ask you simply for your first name, last name, email address, and password. Now, please do not forget what email address and password you use, because what you're going to want to do is sign back into this account, and I can't help you retrieve that information. Also, when the next page here, and I can't get to it because I already have a Vimeo account under my email address, but when the next page comes up, it's going to give you some options that say, try this for 7 days free and all that stuff. Ignore that. Go to the top of the page and it will say, get basic Vimeo or sign up for basic Vimeo. Click that. It's completely free and it'll allow you to watch everything on the platform. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to log in with my account. And we'll just log in here. And I'm going to show you something that you're going to need to know tomorrow. I will be sending you a link so that you can go ahead and get everything that you need and be able to sign up. I'm going to send you not only the link, but I'm going to send you a unique code for you to use. That code will get you access for 6 months. You do not want to lose that code or that email. So it's going to populate your account with things like this, and you're going to see, hopefully, our conference. But if you don't panic. Just go right here in the search box, okay, and type in Here the Watchmen Igniting the Fire, or just put it in your browser and it'll take you right to the page, which is live and ready for you to access at 2 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, Friday, the 25th. But I'm going to show you something right here. I just want to type in Here the Watchmen. Oops. Okay, so I clicked that there. I'm going to search here now for all the different stuff we have. Now, let's say this said Igniting the Fire. If I clicked on that, it's going to bring this up, okay? And you're going to see this screen right here. And what you're going to see right over here, let me just move it over a little, right there. This is important, okay? You're going to want to click Rent All. Even though it says $39, don't worry about it. You click Rent All, you wait a minute, and it's going to ask you for this, okay? You do not need to put your credit card information in here, anything like that. You're going to click these blue words right here, okay? And you're going to put Apply Promo Code. When you put the promo code in that box, it's going to zero it out, and you're going to put, it's going to add it to your cart at a zero balance. You're going to just click it, buy, and then you have access to the entire thing. Any problems that you have getting access to Vimeo tomorrow or streaming it anywhere you want to, Roku, Prime, Google, anything that you want, the way you want to see it. If you want it on your TV, your computer, your laptop, your phone, whatever. If you have a problem, just email Mike Kerr, Kerr, 777 @gmail.com. So that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy to do. And so if you want to get involved otherwise with Hear the Watchmen, please visit hearthewatchmen.com. We do have the option for you to become a patron via Patreon of Hear the Watchman Ministries. Please consider it. We have some great benefits for our patrons. And also take a look at the next conference that we have in Orange County, California, November 5th, 6th, and 7th. We are going in, and we're going in bold. So take a look at that. We have discounted hotel rates. You can get your tickets there. There's several tiers of tickets that you can have. So please take a look. But for now, sit back and enjoy your 6-month subscription to Igniting the Fire. Thank you so much and enjoy the show. We'll see you soon.